Will the Ruisheng M8, with its gasoline version starting at 129,800 yuan, revolutionize the MPV market? With 76 years of automotive manufacturing experience from Beijing Automotive Manufacturing Plant and support from Weiqiao Venture Group in lightweight materials and battery components, Ruisheng has managed to avoid the supply chain shortcomings of emerging brands from the outset. Furthermore, it positions itself as the only brand in the world that produces only MPVs. However, its success depends on its products. You'll see that the Ruisheng M8 is more than just a simple low-price marketing tactic. It offers 3 power options: extended range, fully electric, and CNG gas, with starting prices covering a wide range, beginning at 116,800 yuan, CNG version. In particular, with its 1,420 km CLTC range, 46 kWh battery supporting 4C supercharging, and range extended version that can charge from 30% to 80% in 10 minutes, it has begun to move beyond simple price wars and reach the level of technology parity. This vehicle targets the silent majority, who are aware of their needs with the Alphard and GL8 but are hesitant due to the prices of the Sena, Trumpchi M8, and even many domestic SUVs. Let's talk about the space that forms the basis of MPVs. The Ruisheng M8 boasts the slogan, 3 rows of business class, a phrase previously used for the second row of seats on airplanes. With a length of 5,317 mm and a wheelbase of 3,200 mm, these figures truly place it among the best in its class. According to the official statement, 7 adults up to 1.8 meters tall can sit comfortably, while the trunk can accommodate 18 20-inch carry-on bags. This reminds me of the cramped feeling I've experienced in some MPVs in the past, the feeling that the third row is only for emergencies. The Ruisheng M8 aims to fundamentally eliminate the small stool experience, particularly by emphasizing the 610 mm maximum legroom and 480 mm seat depth in the third row, along with independent headrests. This emphasis on the third row reflects a keen understanding of the travel scenarios in China where multi-generational families or small and medium-sized business owners frequently travel in fully loaded vehicles. Looking closer, the Ruisheng M8's configuration list reveals a pragmatic approach to its features. The Qualcomm 8155 chip, 14.6-inch central control screen, iFlytek sound system, and Horizon Robotics-powered driving solution are standard features in mainstream smart car systems, providing essential fluidity and functionality. Ventilation, heating and massage are offered from the first to the second row. Secondly, there are zero-gravity seats, library-level silence throughout the vehicle, 36 storage spaces, and 9 charging ports. These details reflect an effort to ensure every penny is spent on the experience. It doesn't rely on flashy black tech jargon, but instead focuses on tangible details such as the number of layers in the seat materials, the placement of the hooks, and the size of the side windows. Of course, the most talked about aspect is the multiple powertrain options. The extended range version addresses the long-distance anxiety associated with fully electric vehicles while offering the fluidity and low cost of electric driving. The fully electric version caters to the needs of urban commuting and fixed routes, and the launch of the CNG version is like a precise, regional special strike missile, directly targeting markets with abundant natural gas resources and sensitive to vehicle operating costs. This seemingly greedy, I want it all strategy actually reflects Ruisheng's understanding of the complexity of its MPV user base.